Okay, we're rolling now.
Oh shit.
We got me, we got Cooper. Hey, got some Cooper. We got Dio. Hell yeah, we're at Backwoods. I am Baylor. I don't know when you'll be watching this. Probably decades down the road, hopefully, but.
Is that the camp one?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I was about ready to.
Yeah, we're at Backwoods in Wisconsin.
You showing the back
2024, no. Yeah. There's the track. Let's go. It's gonna be a good day.
Boy.
Go Red Bull. All right, Backwoods. This is Cole Peterson.
Hello.
This is Garrett.
The gas trial by fire.
This is Mr. Koyman.
That's me. Don't do that.
She doesn't. Oh. This is Delaney. You got Tamsin. You got, okay.
No, come on.
You got Braden. Cooper. We got this guy, Jake. Jack. Oh no. Oh no. Theo.
Okay, Bailey.
Hi.
And then we got Luke. We got Sam. We got Stanky. We got Caden. And then we got this guy. We're all here. We got some more guys over there, but it's gonna be a good day.
Oh, then we got the old fucks over there.
Yeah. All right, we are going through the trees. Just started right back up there. Going down looks pretty good for right now. Oh, I guess that was it. There's nothing more. Huh. Oh, the mine fills the logs. Ah. Yeah. That was that.
Yeah, see how it, see where,
Hi.
like how it goes.
We're gonna do
It does not
the ball
like,
event.
cooperate.
And everything else on the car is fine besides that.
I suppose I should use my helmet cam while I've got,
We got
take some video of this too.
Cade on Tucker, Braden, Cole.
What?
I don't know your name.
Theo.
Theo. And then me. Is this battery like how much it actually has left?
Oh. Yeah, we only have one.
We got Cole, ready to drive for relay. Baylor, being a good person and sitting with him. The other people at the spectating crew.
The seniors are here.
The seniors are here.
The seniors are here.
The seniors are here.
Do you have any of those wrenches on you still? Or did you put them back?
I put them back. I can go get them. We have Cooper being majestic. We gotta bring these to Baylor, but we're vlogging because it's fun.
All right.
Hello, Cooper.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm doing okay.
Doing okay?
Didn't eat breakfast, so I'm a bit.
You're a little hangry?
Yeah.
A little hangry?
I'm
Me
a
too.
little hungry.
We did not get breakfast. I'm too short for this. We did not get breakfast. It's hungry. It's early. It's hungry. I don't know words. We got Braden with his shirt. Show the back. Show the back. Show the back. Okay. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. We got Rylan with his shirt. Yeah, been cool. Pros alive. We got Luke and. Okay, hi, Cade. Yeah. I'm getting a shirt because they're cool. Come on, Cole! Yeah, yeah, yeah! There he is, come on. Yeah, Cole! Yeah! Oh!
He's in the zone.
6 laps. Baylor, how many laps is he on?
That's twice as many. You come in.
6 laps?
There's no one else on the track, dude.
Why is he still going?
What are we doing?
I don't know.
the car.
Oh, what are we doing?
Stand for the car. I got it. Our guy's
6 laps.
Yeah,
6 laps. Yeah, Cole! Baylor should not have given me the GoPro.
Better 6 than 2, my guy. I'm my
Oh yeah, no, that was impressive.
We clean up against the Midwest, bro.
We did.
Clean up
Fucking
against the
monster
Midwest.
of a car. Fucking stayed in the.
So much fun. Post lap video. How do you feel?
That was freaking fantastic.
How do you think you did?
I never got passed, and I did a lot of passes. I think pretty well.
You got third. At least third.
That's what we think.
On his first time. I got second.
We're hot. We're hot.
I missed that.
Too bad.
We had you do the relay.
Yeah, Cole, you came.
Okay. We got Tamsin. Hi, Tamsin. Hi. We got Luke. Hi, Luke. We're third in our lineup for endurance. How you feeling?
A little nervous.
A little
but
nervous?
Pretty excited also.
Perfect. How you feeling, Luke?
Good.
Good? Perfect. Don't die. How you, Jack?
Tired.
Tired? No. You get sleep?
Barely.
Who's this? We got Baylor. What you got?
Oh, I got a
Grub.
cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Then we have Theo.
What?
Put away tools.
Yep.
Are you looking for yours?
No. All mine are right here.
Oh, good. Alex is chilling. And then Sam. Hello, Sam. How are you?
Fantastic.
Are you ready for endurance when you get to drive?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I love the GoPro so much. I love the GoPro. So much fun. We have the spectating crew. Got Ryan.
Yep.
Spectating crew. And then the jump everyone
You can
eats shit
actually
on.
drift the Baja car incredibly easy.
The one everyone eats shit on.
We thought it might be a little bit thicker underneath, but there's a section of the track that's running
Hello there.
down like 2 feet.
And it's still just all silt.
Baja's fun.
Like if we're sitting at
Gee.
I pulled you guys off and it's just third place. Break their kneecaps with hammers.
Where is Baylor's? I have your GoPro. Oh, that's where the GoPro.
I have the GoPro.
I was like, where is the GoPro? How do you even find my stuff? The fuck? Did you just look for the SDI jacket?